Good day to Professor Madhya, Dr. Maizatuliza, and my fellow coursemates. Today, me, Tasharana Matthew, will be introducing to you a game that may support the students' English language acquisition, which is Taboo. Before going further, these are my group mates, Ainur and Odelia. So, what is Taboo? Taboo is a simple group game where you are required to get your teammates to guess a particular vocabulary word, which is the target word, without using a set of closely related words or obvious clues to the target word, called the taboo words. Students may access Taboo via the internet by simply typing the name of the game into the search engine. Here, the students may explore the game by themselves. As you can see, the website itself is pretty simple, so navigating through the website won't be a problem. There's also a rules page to those who are still unfamiliar with the game. The rules of Taboo are pretty simple. Guess as many words as you can under 1 minute. When a player presses the play button, the game begins. At the end of the game, players can write their scores at the score sheet below. This game does not require any supervision since students can evaluate themselves after they play the game. There is no pressure if they guess the word wrong because acquiring language is not about precision. Of course, students can play the game with their own choice of words too, with their preferred amount of guessing time. There are a bunch of different rules students can alter or come up on their own. This website is just an example about how this game works. I shall now pass to Ainur for further explanation.
Next, it will be about the learning theory. The theory that we choose is the cognitive theory.
The learning theory for this game is cognitivism. Cognitivism is a schemata activation where you make the knowledge more meaningful. The game insists the participants to challenge their memory in searching for an alternative word while avoiding taboo words. Throughout this game, the players will have a better defined words by activating their schemas. Next is social interaction. The game also encourages students' social interaction as it is a real-time communication game. This will include the participant active participation in playing the game together as they will have to discuss and work together in winning the game. Next is link with the game. This game may form a community of practice which the game is fully played in English. The players will experience this particular mental challenge together as they communicate and express themselves in English. They will start to invest in doing better as they will want to win the game, where the social identity of the game being played in English. They will drill and practice the brain to search an alternative words in function to adapt with the game when playing. Their investment will bear fruit if they win the game. This will ensure a collaboration where a community is formed. From that community, language acquisition is acquired. Lastly, a collaboration where players will have to interact with each other. The players will discuss a strategy on how to communicate with each other while playing the game. A strategy that will come up will have to fulfill the role of both the players and receiver could understand the words. They will start to communicate better with words and an expression. Lastly, a short reflection will be placed as they will reflect on their performance in the game. This could enhance their metacognitive skills.
There are two potential problems that will be faced by the users of Taboo. First, they will encounter people with the same L1 as them. It is not a good sign for users who want to improve their L2, as it will result them to unable to broaden their L2 skills as they might converse mainly using their L1. The second problem is the users might experience offensiveness in using this website. The nature of this game relies on using phrases and words, which called taboo. It may lead to unconsciously offending other users' feelings by using sensitive words that are related to religion, race, or sexuality. Hence, it is important for all users to behave properly and adjust their word of choice to avoid making other users feel offended. Every problem that we faced must have its solution. One of the solutions for the problems that I have just stated is participate actively in the community. This will likely help them to sharpen their L2 vocabulary by exchanging opinions or ideas among them. By doing so, they will encounter new words and acquire the language unconsciously. The next solution is focus on the fun elements of the game. The game in Taboo is for the users to enjoy and have a good time. As there will be an interaction between users, it will make the experience more engaging and fun. That would wrap up our presentation for this assignment. Thank you.